Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how we get a plain white truck and turn it into a mobile advertising powerhouse. So in this video, it's not about just getting a truck and some stickers and slapping it on the side. No, it's about design, strategy, and precision. So make sure you watch to the very end. If you've got any questions, comment below and I'll make sure I answer them. All right, so first step, design. It all begins here. Every project starts with understanding the brand. For this landscaping company, we need a design that screams professional and reliable, and most importantly, something that stands out on the road. As I begin creating the layout, I'm choosing fonts that are clean and bold. The logo has to be visible from a distance. Every color has a purpose. And the orange, it's not just any orange, it's the corporate orange and specific to this brand. Now the final design has to capture the essence of the brand and get people to stop and pay attention. With the design ready to go, we move to the printing stage. The vinyl we're using is durable and weather resistant, built to withstand the toughest elements. The printer's job is to make sure that every detail, every curve, every line is absolutely perfect. There's no room for error here. Okay, so now that the vinyl's printed, it's time to cut and prep it for installation. But this truck also has metal signage panels on the back and sides, and these need to fit properly, and we don't want them coming off. So we need to start by carefully measuring the panels to make sure that they align perfectly with the truck body. Okay, so here's where things get a little bit more involved, and we're drilling and riveting the metal panels onto the truck's tray sides. Now this is an essential part and step for durability. We really don't want these panels coming off while the truck is on the road. The process is slow but precise, but it's all about making sure everything is secure and aligned perfectly. And now finally we move to the main body of the truck. Installation of the vinyl can be tricky, especially around curves and edges, but we've got the right tools, the experience to make sure everything goes perfect and smooth. It's the fine balance between speed and accuracy. The final look needs to be nothing short of flawless. Guys, welcome back. So here we have it, it's complete. Wrapping the cabin, tray signage. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please smash the like button. And if you want to see more of this type of content, please subscribe and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Also, if you want to see anything else, please comment in the comments below. Tell me what you want to see and I'll try to make a video on it. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.